Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve if your Windows launch widgets are not working or not opening or appearing blank on your Windows launch computer. Let's fix it guys. You just need to right click on the start icon and select settings. On left side select personalization. On right side you just need to scroll down and select taskbar. And in here make sure widgets is on position. If not, then toggle to on position and see if that has resolved the issue. If not, then you just need to close it off here and go to search menu and type edit group policy. Click on open it. In here you just need to expand the under the computer configuration, expand the administrative templates and Windows components, expand it. And now you just need to expand the widgets. Click on it. On right side double click on allow widgets. Make sure it is set to not configured. If not, you just need to set to not configured guys, and select apply and OK for save changes. Now for the changes take effect, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. Close it off here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hopefully your issue has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.